Hello Metacrafters, let's try to understand our new project. So let's open the components, and here we open our components. This Solidity code represent a decentralization insurance platform for crypto assets. Let's break down the key components and functionality. We are not going to understand it in deep dive because it is long code and we have a recommended 5 minutes videos. After that we need to check that is that working fine or not. So try to understand this. So here initialize the contract with the owner address. So here we initialize the owner address and require a minimum amount of ether to be sent up a mapping loop, sent up a plans to define insurance plans, and then I think it should be enough for this. And here we will discuss about function, what function are doing in a small way. We are not gonna talk deep dive. So here function, the first function is getOwner, returns the owner address. Here we can see it is returns the owner address. Here we are receiving an input, and here we are return owner. I mean owner. This function is returns the owner address. Here we have another function that is withdraw. It is accepting one parameter and allows to the owner to withdraw ether from the contract. This function is allowed to withdraw ether from the contract. Here we use the payable keyword. This is the special keyword in Solidity. And here another function that is getCustomer. It is very easy to understand. Returns an array of customer address. This function is returns an array of customer address. Here we are returns customers. And here we have another function that's getCustomer to contract, and here we are receiving an parameter customer address with the variable address. This function is returns the insurance contract address associated with a customer. Here it is the associate with the customer. And the next function is the token balance. The token balance returns the balance of a specific ERC20 token for a given address. Here it is the return the ERC token. And the get fee valuable assets. Fetch the latest prices of an asset from the Chainlink Oracle. Here you can see price and price customer equal to latest round data. Here also we use view and public, and then get used v. Fetch the latest ETH to USD conversion rate. This function is fetching latest ETH to USD conversion rate. And here we are the function calculates deposit money, calculates the required insurance deposit based on the provided parameters. And here is the get insurance function. Here also we use one get insurance function. So get insurance function allows user to purchase insurance by providing asset address, plan, time, period, oracle address, and decimal precision. Okay, let's talk about claiming. Here is also some function that's claim insurance, allows customer to claim insurance based on the condition specific in the assets valid insurance contract. And here we create the assets valid insurance. Initialize an insurance contract with the details such as owner, insured assets, plan, time period, factory, contract address, oracle address, price at the time of the insurance, and decimal precision. Modifier, here we use modifier. Modifier only owner. Restricts certain function to be called only by the owner. In the next function, verify insurance. Check if the insurance is still valid, not claimed, and there is a change in asset value to the determined claimed amount. And the another function, that get token balance, returns the balance of the specific ERC20 token for a given address. And the another function, get feed value assets, fetch the latest price of an asset from Chainlink Oracle. And here is the get claim amount. Before that, here is also one function, that is claim, allows the owner to claim the insurance by tracking the claim insurance function in the factory contract. Okay, here the get claim amount returns the calculated amount, is claimed, returns here is also is claimed, returns whether the insurance has already been claimed. Withdraw claim, here is the withdraw claim, allows the owners to withdraw the claimed amount. Here is the one note point from my side. The code use Chainlink's aggregator v3 interface for obtaining asset prices. Insurance claims are calculated based on the change in the asset's value during the insurance period. The code structures allow for the creation of multiple insurance contracts for the different assets and plans. This contract designs aim to provide decentralization insurance for crypto assets, allowing users to the purchase and claim insurance based on the real-time asset value were obtained for the from Chainlink Oracle. So already video length has 6 maybe 7 minutes more, so we need to check that is there working or not, because we can see that here is the many function. We cannot explain every function because it takes time. So here I'm gonna open my terminal. Okay, so CLS. Okay, here first I will try to check that is that compiling or not, my hard hat compiling or not. To checking that hard hat compiling or not, there is a one command, that is npx hard hat compile. Okay, npx hard hat compile, and then click on the enter. Here we can see it is saying nothing to compile because we have compiled it before, so there is nothing to compile. That's mean we have a nothing, we have a no error, otherwise it's show an error. Okay, CLS, and here is also one command. Here we will fetch the nodes npx by using npx hard hat node. If I click on the enter, so I can fetch the node. Okay, you can see we got the private key and extra. So now I am gonna try to run my hard hat. Okay, here. So, okay. Before that, I wanna show something here. In env file, I use localhost URL. Here I show you. In Sepolia, I use localhost URL. I didn't use any network URL like Sepolia or anything else. I just use localhost. Done. Okay, let's try to run this. npx hard hat and script deploy.js. Okay, now okay, we can see that is that work. Sorry, this is work. So we can see this is working perfectly, hope so.